Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. This is the round 4 from World Chess Championship 2018. Magnus Carlsen had white pieces and he started with c4, the English opening. Fabiano Caruana played e5, knight to c3, knight to f6, knight to f3, knight to c6, g3. So we have the Sicilian reversed dragon variation. Caruana played d5, c takes on d5, knight takes on d5, bishop to g2, black to move. Knight to b6 is a standard move in this position, the most played move. Caruana played bishop to c5, inviting knight takes on e5. Carlsen didn't want to take any risk and he castled kingside. Knight takes on e5 would be the most interesting continuation. If knight takes knight, then knight takes on d5. Let's go back. After knight takes on e5, Caruana would probably play knight takes on c3. And one line goes like this. Bishop takes on c6 check, b takes on c6, d takes on c3, queen takes on d1 check, king takes on d1, bishop takes on f2. This is just one line. I can't possibly know what exactly Caruana had in mind. And Carlsen didn't want to test Caruana's homework. Let's go back to our game. Carlsen castled kingside, so did Caruana. d3, rook to e8, bishop to d2, knight takes on c3, how to recapture. Bishop takes on c3 was played. If pawn takes on c3, that would prevent black knight from coming to d4. Bishop takes on c3, knight to d4, b4. Bishop to d6, rook to b1, knight takes on f3, bishop takes on f3, a6, a4. This is known as a majority attack. c6, white to move. b5 was expected. Instead, Carlsen played rook to e1, giving up on the idea of the majority attack. Let's take it back. If b5, then one line goes like this. a takes on b5, a takes on b5, bishop to d7, b takes on c6, bishop takes on c6, bishop takes bishop, pawn takes bishop, queen to b3. In this variation, white has a better pawn structure and a target for the attack. Back to our game. Rook to e1, bishop to d7, now discouraging b5. e3, queen to f6, attacking the bishop, bishop to e4, bishop to f5, queen to f3. Bishop takes on e4, white to move. Queen takes queen on f6. Queen takes bishop would be another way to go. Perhaps if Carlsen was desperate to win. Queen takes on f6 was played. G takes on f6, d takes on e4, b5, preventing white from playing b5 in some variations. Rook from e to d1, attacking the bishop, bishop to f8, a takes on b5, a takes on b5, king to g2, rook from e to d8, rook from d to c1, king to g7, bishop to e1, rook from d to c8, rook to c2, intending to double the rooks, rook to a4, king to f3. If rook from b to c1, then bishop takes on b4, bishop takes on b4, rook takes on b4, and now white would have to play king to f3. If rook takes on c6, then rook takes on c6, rook takes on c6, rook takes on e4. Black is better. Back to our game. King to f3, h5, king to e2, king to g6, h3, f5, exchanging a double pawn for a double pawn. Pawn takes pawn on f5 check, king takes on f5, f3, bishop to e7, e4 check, king to e6, bishop to d2, bishop to d6, white to move, rook from b to c1, and after playing this move, Carlsen offered a draw, and Caruana accepted. If the game continued, black would probably play king to d7. Quite often, grandmasters go for a half a point with the black pieces, and for a full point with the white pieces. In this game, Carlsen deliberately played for a half a point with the white pieces. I get the impression that he wants to draw all 12 games and beat Caruana in a blitz playoff. So every draw is a little victory for Carlsen, because it brings him closer to a blitz playoff, and everybody knows that Carlsen is much better blitz player than Caruana. What do you think of this match? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.